Hey everybody, Dave Forehand with Dallas Arboretum. I'm bringing you digital Dallas blooms this year. The theme is the sounds of spring, and gosh, there's so many beautiful things blooming here. Today I wanted to take you on a stroll through the Lay family garden. It was the first name garden. It was added at the Arboretum when we became a botanical garden. And it's been a beautiful addition all along. Of course, we've added so many other gardens over all the many years, but this garden's always been really special, and I thought it'd be fun to walk through it today. So let's take a look. Right here you can see the first focal point when you come upon the garden is this beautiful alley that kind of punctuates in and gives you a sneak peek into the garden. It's enclosed inside all the hedges here along this side, and a great grouping of tulips here. Of course, the Lay family garden here kind of sits next to the historic camp estate, camp property. This house was built in 1936. It's one of two of the homes that are on the property to this day, and that one's open for private events and activities, and it's a popular spot. Many a wedding party have taken place in this house over the years since we became an Arboretum, and the Lay family garden is actually one of the most popular spots to have your outdoor weddings here at the Arboretum. It's another nice combination of tulips. I kind of like this dark purple with the orange and the pink. And the Lay garden has a great view to the White Rock Lake as well. You can see there's the Great Lawn down below. It's where we do all our concerts. The Cool Thursday series that we do with cover bands. And you see back into the Great Lawn of the Lay garden. That's one of the iconic features of the water walls there that create that beautiful sheet of water. This garden was completed in 1989, and we did a massive update and a refurbishment back in 2012 and added more features, but kept the main bones of the garden the same. And one of the things we were able to add at that time is this beautiful koi pond. If the koi could wave, they would. They are flapping their little flippers, but they're super happy to see some people here. They're very friendly. And yes, we are feeding them good, so don't worry. And there's a really kind of a unique tree there in the back of the pond. This is a Montezuma cypress. It's a type of ball cypress. This is the variety that you'll see down in the hill country, especially along the rivers. Austin and San Antonio, some of those giant 1,000-year-old cypress. This is the same variety. Of course, this one's only been here since 1989. You can see how large it is. And what's interesting about this Montezuma cypress is it doesn't get the knees like the regular ball cypress. Beautiful maples leaf. Now this is the butterfly maple. You see it actually has a pinkish and cream colored leaf when it first leaves out. Really beautiful. Japanese maple. Probably hear the water. A lot of water features here, so you always have that beautiful sound of water. And if you may be able to pick up, there's a lot of birds chirping here as well. Let's go up and take a look at our grotto. Another nice combination of a pink and a dark purple, almost burgundy tulip here mixed together. got a lot of gorgeous containers planted with spring flowers as well. It's nice lobelia with a petunia and a little bit of sweet stock planted as well here. Down below we've got beautiful blue delphinium blooming in the containers, and of course up above we've got a gorgeous wisteria, and it smells really good today. In full bloom at this time. Another one of our topiary musical instruments. We got a saxophone here, planted with a nice, interesting combination of succulents again and sedums. And there in front of us, we're back where we started here, our beautiful floral alley that opens into the garden. And I can tell you, if you like the color pink, this is the place you want to be right now in this particular alley. It is full of beautiful pink tulips. Well, thanks for watching again. I hope you've enjoyed this stroll through the Lay family garden. We'll be bringing you more videos through the coming days. Again, thank you for watching Digital Dallas Blooms, and we appreciate everyone out there and your support. We'll see you real soon.